Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add cell border lines in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add cell border lines. At first, select any cell. Now I am select the sheet, click and drag on our mouse. Now you want to add the cell border line, go to the home menu, click the borders drop down menu. We can see here many border. You can add the bottom border, top, left, right, etc. Now I am select the all borders. Then go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see we add the border lines easily. You can change the border style. Select again and click the drop down menu. You can add the right border, left or another. Now I am select thick border bottom. Then go to file menu again, click print. And we can see we added the border easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.